This is the Moniepoint POS, and this is how it works for withdrawal, for transfer, and for bill payment. So I'll be guiding on how to use it for withdrawal first. So if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw here, the amount. So for this instance, I'll be using 100 naira. This is 100 naira, and I click on next. So it depends on the account type, either savings or current. So for this tutorial, I'll be using savings. So you insert the card from the bottom like this, and give the individual to input his or her PIN. So this particular one declined because I don't have enough balance on that card. But which way to be successful, it will write approved. So it is writing declined here because there's insufficient funds. And this is how the printout will look like. If you want to transfer out to other banks, like you want to transfer from your POS to somebody else account or your own personal account, either ways, you use the transfer. So you type in the amount. I'll use 100 naira for this tutorial. The person's account number, this particular bank is Access Bank. You can confirm the name, Oluwatosin Abdulaziz. Then click on continue. You don't need to fill all those ones. So it will confirm the name to you, Oluwatosin Abdulaziz Adeboye. Then you input your PIN, the PIN you created while creating your password and others. Says right transaction approved, and this is what the receipt will look like. You can see approved here. So I'll be demonstrating how to receive transfers to your OPay, to your Moniepoint. So it will pop up now. I've sent a transfer now, so it should pop up now that I should either accept or decline. So that's how it will pop up. Then you can either decline or accept, or for you to be sure of who is sending it, you can click on this, see more details. You can view the person's picture. So that's my own picture, because I send the money to my account. So you can decline or accept. So once you accept, it will be deposited into your own account, your own Moniepoint account automatically. Once you decline, it will be reversed back to the person that sent it. So let me use, for this instance, I'll be using decline. This amount will be returned to the sender and will not be settled in your account. So agree. Then you put your PIN. So I have declined that transaction. So if we should click on accept to, it will print out and tell you transaction approved. For bill payment, you click here on more. You scroll down, you can see we have withdrawal, transfers, card transfers. Then we have airtime. So if you want to buy airtime or you want to sell airtime, you can just click here and you sell airtime and you get a commission too. Then if you want to pay for bills, click on bills here. We have different billers. We have the prepaid and postpaid. Scroll down. We have DSTV, GoTV, StarTimes, Bet Nigeria, NairaBet, and so on and so forth, depending on what you want to do. So you can click on any of these. But you should make sure you fill up all these informations before it will bring out continue. You have to fill up all the information here: the customer name, the customer email, the customer phone number. Then click on continue. Then to check our history, if you want to confirm a transaction, you want to see the transactions that has been done on the POS, you can just click on history, local history. Then you can scroll down. This was the transaction I did the other time. For this terminal, you can either use a SIM card or you use your hotspot to access the internet. Currently, I'm using my own hotspot to access because I don't have data on this particular SIM. So to access your hotspot, you just scroll down, just like your normal Android phone. Click here. So these are the available ones. So you click on your own and input your password, your hotspot password. So it's that very simple.